Hi guys. In today's video I am going to show you how to add a custom complex wall in ArchiCAD. First you need to go to Options, then Complex Profile, and finally Profile Manager. Then select a new profile. Then go to Fill tool and draw the cross section of your complex wall. Use the cross icon as the base point and you can select the material type also. Select the element type you want to use this cross section. Then save the cross section. And go back to Floor Plan and select the wall icon. And go to Complex Walls and select your new cross section as the profile. That's how we add a custom complex wall. Hope you guys got something. If you can please subscribe me. It helps me a lot. Thank you.